Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for AT&T Prepaid. So AT&T Prepaid now has the Galaxy S10 Plus. I know that the Galaxy S10 Plus is an older Galaxy device. It is now available at AT&T Prepaid as a certified pre-owned device. It's available now for $349.99 for the 128GB version. It's available in person black. So this was Samsung's top of the line Galaxy S device from 2019. So there's the Galaxy S10 Plus right there. Very nice looking phone. You guys have your dual front facing camera there on the front, power button right there on the right, volume keys on the left, also your Bixby button as well. So a very nice looking phone. So to experience the next generation of Galaxy with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, with an intelligent battery, a pro-like camera with upgradable camera features, wireless power share, and immersive infinity display with ultrasonic fingerprint ID. You won't miss a beat. And like I said, this is a AT&T certified pre-owned device, so to keep that in mind, if you guys want to read more about AT&T certified pre-owned, y'all guys can pause the video or check the link down below. Alright, so let's go check out some images on the Galaxy S10 Plus. You guys should know what this phone is by now. This one's been out for 3 years. Still getting updated. Of course, it has Android 12 on it, which Android 12 will be its last OS update on the phone. So you guys have your triple camera set up on the rear, camera flash there, Samsung logo, Galaxy S10 Plus logo on the back there. Right side, like I said, I think that's probably be the left side right here. Like I said, your Bixby button and volume keys on the left side. The right side has your power button there. There it is, left side, right side again. Very nice looking phone. The specs on that are still pretty good for today's standards. Obviously, like I said, this is a 3-year-old device. This was a flagship phone from 2019. This was Samsung's top of the line Galaxy S device. And so like I said, this is an AT&T certified pre-owned device, which y'all guys should keep that in mind. It has an ultrasonic fingerprint ID, cinematic infinity display, pro-like camera with upgradable features. Dimensions on the Galaxy S10 Plus are 6.20 inches height, 2.92 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The Galaxy S10 Plus weighs 6.17 ounces. Screen size on the Galaxy S10 Plus, 6.4 inches. Dynamic AMOLED infinity display with Gorilla Glass 6 on the front, 1440 by 3040 resolution, 16 main colors. Y'all guys do get 3 cameras on the back, like I said, 12 megapixel wide triple speed dual pixel, 16 megapixel ultra wide with the 123 degrees field of view, 12 megapixel 2 times optical zoom, dual aperture mode with f1.5 and f2.4, epic shot camera with scene optimizer, 10 megapixel ultra HD selfie, and 8 megapixel portrait lens. Alright, so you do get 2 camera lenses on the front, so to keep that in mind. Video record, video playback, shooting options are AR emoji, food, hyperlapse, live focus, panorama, photo, pro, slow motion, super slow-mo, and video. The battery is pretty decent in today's standards. A 4100mAh battery. It's a non-removable battery. 39 hours of talk time. They also need to fix the standby time because that can confuse a lot of people like myself. So they need to fix that. Audio playback. 56 hours on the speaker. 120 hours on headset. You do get wireless charging, of course. Up to 37 minutes to 50%, and 104 minutes to 100%. with fast charging there. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, which was the flagship processor for the Snapdragon 855 processor was a the Snapdragon 855 processor was a flagship processor from 2019, and it still can do its thing today. This is a 3-year-old device, so to keep that in mind. It is of course octa-core, memory 128 gigabytes. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes of RAM, Android 12 on board with One UI 4.1, I believe it is. And like I said before, Android 12 is its last OS update. It will not get Android 13 unless you guys root different or whatever. You do get voice dialing and shit like that. Wireless technology, you do get 5G evolution on the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy S10e. You do get 4G LTE, of course. 4G, 3G. It's a world device. It's a world phone, which is quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11 ABGN, AC, IR and AX, dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0 low energy, up to 10 devices on mobile hotspot, noise suppression, wireless emergency alerts, and it takes in their SIM card, of course. That's pretty much standard now, and it's been the standard for the last several years. You do get some preloaded AT&T apps. Some of these apps have no longer exist, and they've been updated to different things. So anyways, you guys have AT&T Car Protect, Device Help, Drive Mode, Mobile Security, Protect, Secure Family, Setup and Transfer, Smart Wi-Fi, Watch TV, which I don't think that's a thing no more either, Bleacher Report Live, CNN, DC, Universe, DirecTV Now, which is not a thing. It is now DirecTV Stream, DirecTV Remote. I doubt that's a thing too. Game of Thrones, Conquest, Great Big Story, HBO Go, which no longer exists. It is now HBO Max, Mobile Service Manager, NCAA March Madness Live, Samsung apps, of course. You guys get the Galaxy Wearable, Samsung Health, Samsung Calculator, Samsung Members, which is Samsung Plus, Samsung Notes, Samsung Pay, Samsung Smart Switch, and Smart Things from Samsung. Additional apps is like your Google apps and different, there's like a Google apps and additional apps as well. You guys get Amazon Shopping, Facebook, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Pay, Google Photos, Google Play Movies and TV, which is now Google TV, Google Play Music, which is now YouTube Music, Google Play Store, obviously, Google Search, Spotify, and YouTube. It also has my AT&T, which lets you get fast and easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. It has Samsung browser and Google Chrome on board as your web browsers. Sensors are barometer, ambient light, barometer, JavaScript, heart rate. There's messaging and messaging in email there. Music, it says Google Play Music there, but it's been changed to YouTube Music. So yeah, there's accessibility there, sustainability, and what comes in the box is your charging brick, USB-C cable, and your SIM card, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, so AT&T Prepaid now has the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for $349.99 for 128 gigabytes of storage. And to keep in mind that this is a certified pre-owned device, so to keep that in mind. It does have Android 12 on board, which is awesome, but Android 12 is its last update on the Galaxy S10 devices, so to keep it in mind. So yeah, there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, now available on AT&T Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you last me out a lot, Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.